Keep working, keep working. Put that work in. Put that work in. Pause. Next we're gonna do with that squat to the knee lift, okay? 10 seconds of mercy. Mercy ain't part of the equation. So we're gonna do just a squat, a regular squat, a knee raise, all right? And then 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Come on, squat, bring that knee up, there you go. Let's switch the other one. Straight up to you like you need somebody in the chest, like you need somebody in the chest. Squat, boom, squat, boom, like you're doing a high knee. Put the work in, earn the burn. Come on, we're gonna get rid of that body fat. We don't need it, we don't need it. What we need it for? Come on, we don't need that body fat. What's it good for? Absolutely nothing. Come on, push. Pause. 10 seconds mercy. We're gonna do that mountain climber in there. Waiting for that mountain climber. And in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me that mountain climber. Come on, climb that mountain. Make sure you're breathing. Come on, put that work in. Put it in. Come on. It's all you. It's all you. What you want? What you want? Come on. Come on, it ain't time to quit. Give me some work. Come on here. You better dig in there. That ain't digging. That's reneging. Come on. You got 5 more seconds. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Pause. Remember, everybody, when you come out here and you work, you put your effort in there. You put the best foot forward, all right? I can't do it for you. You got to earn that burn. This is your war, all right? I'm just the general. This is your war. Destroy your body fat. Break your body down. Overcome your hurdles and your obstacles, things that are slowing you down. You better get in here and do that work. All right, DM me on how to get this thing started. This ain't supposed to be easy. It's supposed to test you to your upper limits. This has been L.A. Kendrick, bringing you to heaven. Let me get back to this workout training session. Boot Camp Wednesday.